Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to enable PayPal payment gateway for specific IP addresses using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side you see plugin. So click on add new. So we are going to install plugin. Then in search plugin, write WooCommerce IP based payment method. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. Now click on install. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. Now setting open and then you see IP based payment method tab. So click on it. Now scroll down you see IP based payment method and then you see enable. So enable IP method and then you can add IP addresses according to your requirement. If you want you can add multiple IP addresses. Now you see add comma separated IP addresses. So we are going to add some IP address. So I added two IP addresses separated by comma. Now you see and then you see payment method drop down. Now select and then you see PayPal. So select and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, click on proceed to checkout. Scroll down, click on continue, again click on continue and then you see payment method, direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, credit card. You don't see PayPal payment method because PayPal payment method only enable for these IP addresses we added. So we don't add our IP address. So that's why PayPal payment method not show. So you can enable PayPal payment method for different IP addresses according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.